Facing the Safari can't connect to server error on your iPhone? It's annoying, but don't worry. This usually points to issues with your internet connection or the website. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top screen. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Open another app like YouTube to see if your internet connection is working. If you can't load websites, the issue might be with your internet connection. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache and website data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Scroll down and find Safari. Tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm by tapping Clear History again. Cached website data can sometimes prevent pages from loading correctly. Solution 3. Disable Safari extensions. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Scroll down to Safari. Scroll down. Tap Extensions. Toggle off any active extensions or remove them. Extensions may interfere with website loading if they block certain scripts or content. Solution 4. Check Date and Time settings. Go to Settings and tap General. Scroll down. Tap Date and Time. Toggle Set automatically to On. Incorrect date and time settings can cause problems with websites that require security certificates. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General. Scroll down, tap Reset, then select Reset network settings. Enter your passcode and confirm the reset. This will clear your Wi-Fi networks and settings but may resolve any underlying connection issues. Now that you've gone through these steps, you should be able to fix the Safari can't connect to server error on your iPhone. If the issue persists, you might want to reach out to your internet service provider or Apple support for more help.